Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir classes. In today's video, we'll be solving question number 6 from MSQE PEB 2018 question paper. So in question number 6, it is given the Q equals to minimum AK comma BL. So it is given Q equals to minimum AK comma AK comma BL. So here we can say A is equals to AK equals to AL. So we can simply say Q equals to AK equals to BL. This is BL. So now from here what we can do, we can find the value of K from here. So Q equals to AK could be written as K equals to Q by A, and also from here L could be written as Q equal by B. So K could be written as Q by A and L could be written as Q by B. Now we know the cost function equation is given by WL plus RK. So the cost function equation is given by WL by RK. So W we do not know, but the value of K we have found it to be Q by A, and R we do not know, and value of K we have found it to be Q by A, and the value of L we have found it to be Q by B. So it will be B. Sorry, I have made a mistake. So I'll rub it off. So it will be Q by B. So far we have come to this. Now from here what we can do is we will simply take Q outside the bracket. So we'll be left with W by B plus W by B plus R by A. So here W by B, here R plus A. So the cost function is equals to Q bracket W by B plus R by A. So here as you can see, this option, which is option D, it seems to be the right answer. So what we did in this question, first as it is given Q equals to minimum of AK comma BL, so we have taken Q to be equals to AK equals to BL. This is what we have done. Now from here we found the value of Q and we have found the value of L. So now as we have found the value of Q and L, we have simply put the value of Q and K and L here. So we have found the value of cost function, which is the cost function is given by Q bracket, which is given by Q bracket R by A plus W by B, which is the option D. So in today's lecture we solved MCQE. In today's lecture we solved MSQE PEB 2018 question number 6. In the subsequent videos we'll keep solving this question. So if you have any query or doubt, my name is Himadri Datta. You can simply go to our website or you can also call us on this number, which is 9836793076. It is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.saurabhsirclasses.com. This is www.saurabhsirclasses.com, or you can also WhatsApp me on this number. So thank you for watching this video. All the best for your exam.